Good evening, sir. Mo din niya akong problem sa module 2. Point charges of 45 in C just are located at A 100, B negative 100, C 010, D 0 negative 10 in free space. Find total force on the charges. Ang atong una button is ato silang i-plot sa Cartesian plane para makita nato ilang mga direction. Diri si kuan si charge A, si charge B, si charge C, o si charge D. O ang ilang mga value ay kuan kani. Si charge A is kuan 1 0 0. Si charge B is negative 1 0 0. Si charge C is 0 1 0. Si D is 0 negative 1 0. Kung ato silang i-plot, si RED ni kani kay si RAB kay si REC. Before na ito makuha ilang mga value, we must find na kuha nilang magnitude o ilang vector o ang ilang net force acting in their charges. O mo ni atong formula is FA is equal to Q squared all over 4 pi times RAB cube plus RAD cube plus REC cube. O mo niya itong equation. Ano to ilang vector of magnitude ito silang sorbon. Ang RAB is 2 0 0 niya equals to square root of 2 squared is equal to 2. Ang RAD is equal to 1 1 0. And is equal to 1 0 to 1 squared plus 1 squared is equal to 2. Nga atong REC is equivalent to 1 negative 1 0. Kanya 1 squared plus negative 1 squared is equivalent to 2 squared. Kung nakuha naman na to ang ilang vectors of magnitude, ato na silang i-substitute sa equation 1 which is kani. O ato na i-plug in gamit tong equation 1 na formula which is FA is equivalent to 45 times 10 to the power of negative 9 all over 4 pi over 8 plus 1 to square root of 2 plus 1 to yun nga ato ni silang ato ni silang i-plug in sa calculator na to na solve og na input sa calculator mo ni ang iyang final answer. If A is equivalent to 17.42 times 10 to the power of negative 5 or 17.42 AX micronewton. Oh, thanks sir.